Yes, a Philips TV can be worth buying, especially if you prioritize picture quality and innovative features. Philips is known for its Ambilight technology, which enhances the viewing experience by projecting colorful light around the screen, creating a more immersive atmosphere. Their higher-end models, such as the OLED Plus series, deliver stunning picture quality with deep blacks, vibrant colors, and excellent contrast, making them ideal for movie enthusiasts. Additionally, Philips smart TVs run on Android TV or their proprietary Safety platform, offering access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, Disney plus Hotstar, and YouTube. The user interface is intuitive, and the TVs often come at competitive prices compared to other premium brands like Sony or LG. However, Philips TVs may not always excel in terms of long-term software updates or customer support in certain regions. If Ambilight and strong picture performance appeal to you, a Philips TV is definitely worth considering. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.